Idling can often feel like the only viable option to ensure both driver comfort and on-time deliveries. Without an efficient electrical system, idling burns fuel unnecessarily. Enter the C8 CleanTech Kit, an innovative solution that eliminates the need for idling and guarantees your truck starts reliably every time. With this kit, you'll enjoy a minimum of 10-hour autonomy to operate a tailgate or a lift and make use of cabin accessories such as air conditioning, heating, and any hotel loads, regardless of the weather conditions. The kit consists of a supercapacitor engine start module that can be installed in the battery compartment, as well as a high-performance UL-certified lithium-ion battery for motive applications, the highest level of safety certification. Depending on the size of the lithium-ion battery required, it can either be put in the battery box, under a bunk, or in a designated compartment outside the truck. It is also complemented by a Bluetooth telemetry application, giving you the ability to monitor and track the battery's condition in real time. Say goodbye to lead-acid batteries. With the kit, you get rid of several hundred pounds of weight on your truck. No more time wasted dealing with dead batteries or old ones piling up in a corner. The C8 CleanTech Kit is an energy-efficient solution that significantly reduces greenhouse gases, and the technology is eligible for government grants. Under certain conditions, it covers up to 75% of the purchase and installation cost of the kit. Bid farewell to downtime, costly jump starts, and late deliveries caused by battery-related issues. With the C8 Kit, you'll not only lower your operating expenses, but also enjoy peace of mind knowing that your delivery will always run smoothly. Your days are already demanding enough. Allow the C8 CleanTech Kit to lighten your load.